Vai, sei in diretta.
Hi everyone, and welcome in my kitchen. I stay at home, but I cooking all day. And yesterday my son asked me lasagne, and I think to make with you. I start with this is new recipe of pasta. It's made only with yolk because I need white eggs for a wonderful chocolate cake. Now, durum wheat, 400 gram, and 260 gram of yolk. I have the same machine that I have in the Acerone. No, but almost. But I miss my professional kitchen. Today my husband helped me for the video. Oh, I put inside a pinch of salt, and 3 spoons of extra virgin oil. If the dough is too dry, you can put inside 1 or 2 spoons of warm water. Oh, in this time, I start to make our bechamel. Butter, milk, melted butter, milk, flour, and nutmeg. Now I show you. I see my dough. Ready. Et voilà. Oh. I need space. And flour, durum wheat flour, and the dough. You work a little bit by hand. And voila. Now I wait some minutes and pasta relax, and for me it's more simple to work. And now Paolo, come here, and we make bechamel. Oh, melted butter. One of that, I don't know in English. In Italiano it's frusta. And flour. Oh, this recipe is 500 grams of milk and 250 grams of flour and butter the same. Oh, you cooking, you make a sort of roux with butter and flour. You put in the milk nutmeg. Without nutmeg, you can make bechamel. Salt. when milk starts boiling and butter and flour the same, you can see, we can mix together. Voilà. And now it's ready. Now I add other milk, cold milk. Because I need warm bechamel. I think it's better that I take a big pot. Now I change my pan. One liter of milk in total. Okay. Ready, and now we make pasta. And now pasta. You squeeze and you roll a little bit. And now with my small machine, I ate that. In the Aceroni we have electric. In the restaurant we have big. But at home it's okay also that. And now in 3, and now in 6. If you make by hand, if you roll by hand, it's ready when you can see your hands. I have just made other pasta because I don't like a very long video. I think small is better. And voila. Now I take that with butter inside and we start with bechamel sauce. And then pasta. And you make a sort of puzzle. And now bechamel. And bolognese sauce. You can, if you don't like bolognese sauce, if you are vegetarian, you can use also tomato sauce or pesto or mushroom, and you mix. Lasagna have only bolognese sauce and bechamel, no ricotta cheese, no mozzarella. Parmesan cheese only on top. And voilà. Bechamel sauce in the corner, because if you don't put many bechamel in the corner, you burn. I burn the same, but lasagna have maximum 5 layers of pasta. And at home I make 4 because my husband and my son love a little bit thin. Normally we make lasagna on Sunday. My mothers-in-law make each Sunday make lasagna and roasted chicken with potato. And yesterday my son asked me, Mama, where is lasagna? Stay chicken, but no lasagna. Filippo, we make tomorrow. And now I must make lasagna. Stop. And stop. Parmesan cheese, and butter flakes. And now in the oven for dinner, 119 degrees for 20-25 minutes. And with the rest, and with the other pasta, you can make ravioli, tagliatelle, and if you want, you can think some recipe. You can write in our Facebook page, and then I can think to make for you. Bye bye.